everyone, and welcome to TechnoBiz Business Talk. Today we have the pleasure of speaking with Mr. Abhinav Krishna Gaur from Dev Rubber Factory. Hello. So we'll be having a short but insightful conversation about your company, industry trends, and future opportunities.
My company, Dev Rubber Factory Private Limited, founded in 2009, and we are manufacturing butyl tube reclaim rubber and EPDM rubber also, and we are manufacture all types of tires and tubes and in India, in Bijnor, this country, and we are ISO certified company, and we are export in about 11 countries, in China, Bangkok, and Turkey, and many extra companies in Kuwait also. So almost 11 companies we are manufacturing, we are exporting.
Okay, thank you very much. And what do you say that it sets you apart from your industry?
Product.
Your product.
Yeah, our product, our main product is butyl tubes. Used in all types of vehicle, like bikes, cars, and trucks, bus, and JCBs also, and many heavy vehicles also that we have manufactured the tubes. And reclaim rubber, used in rubber product, manufactured rubber product, reclaim rubber. Yes.
Okay, thank you. And do you have any exciting innovations or upcoming launches to share with us?
Yeah, we are also the research on the many other type of rubbers and used for in any type of production and any type of industries, and we are explore our business to any other sizes and vehicles types of, and we can use our and explore our sizes and our products.
That is amazing. Then how would you describe the current market landscape for your industry?
Yeah, market is our in pan India. We are supply our tubes and reclaim in pan India also, and many countries like as I say, we are exporting in 11 countries also. Then we have a good market, and we have a export quality tubes and reclaim.
Okay, so what would you say are the trends or challenges that are shaping the sector right now?
No, the challenges are as the inflation of the market and raw materials, and going to high, like rubber scrap is very tough to got in local market, and we are also in process to issue a import license of scrap, because in India scrap actually importing is very tough. So we are under license importing. Yeah.
So have you noticed any significant shift in the industry recently?
Yeah.
So there are changes happening right now, right?
Changes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have all continued changes in our factory, required as per the technology and required as per the market and as per our customers. We can change in our products and factory.
So you keep adapting to the
market. We keep adapting.
So before we conclude, do you have any final message or an invitation for our audience to engage with your company?
Yeah, we are export. We are the good and export quality tubes and export quality of reclaim rubber, EPDM rubber, natural rubber also. So we are inviting all the customers to connect to us and explore your market in India, and we are exporting all the export quality tubes and best quality butyl tube we are manufactured.
So thank you, Mr. Abhinav, for sharing your insight with us today, and thank you to our audience for tuning in into TechnoBiz Business Talk. Stay tuned for more conversation with industry leaders.